Want to see someone really eat? Check this out. Excuse me.
Show you.
Great, but first, I'm hungry. A snack. Excuse me.
Forest King ate the tree that I was living in before.
Boy.
Yeah.
Train? Excuse me. Oh, hi.
Pretty, Mr. Conductor.
As omnivores, we had a little bit of everything, buddy.
Yup, I'll pretty much try anything. Excuse me.
Whoops! That's the Dinosaur Train. Time to go home, kids. Walk this way.
What great stuff! Bug stew, beetle broth, cockroach casserole. I could feast for ages. Oh, or maybe not.
And the hungriest Triceratops, able to eat large piles of carrion in a single gulp. It's a dinosaur. It's a theropod. It's hyper carnivore.
Get kind of crowded and loud sometimes. And they eat all the food.
Well, maybe it's not. Excuse me.